strong.
Are you sick with a PayPal account? Can't figure out how to remove it? Worry not, we got your cover. Hey guys, this is Tushar from Gossipfunda, and today we are going to discuss about how to remove a PayPal account. But let me be clear when I say you cannot recover or reopen your account if you decide to go further with the video. So let's start. Are you still wondering whether you should remove your PayPal account or not? Worry not, we got some points for you. PayPal is free and charges no maintenance cost. However, if you are not planning to use it on a daily basis, we would suggest you close your account before you forget about it and it falls into wrong hands. So let's start with a tutorial. Your first step should be to log into your PayPal account and make sure you are not on a public Wi-Fi as your bank account can be at risk. So log into your PayPal account and you will see a settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the icon to go to your account setting, and at the bottom of the screen you will see a tab saying close your account. Once you click on the tab, it will redirect you to a new page and it will say, are you sure you want to close your account? If there's anything we can help you with, please contact us. Once it's closed, you won't be able to see this PayPal account or the past transactions on it. It can be reopened. And still, if you want to close your account, then click on the close account tab and it will close your account. PayPal makes it very easy to close the account, but you must have a strong reason on why you have to close your account because it can be recovered. PayPal makes it very easy to close the account, but you must have a strong reason. So this was for today guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and put any of your query in the comment section below. We will try our best to answer your queries.